Hello everybody, welcome to Neat Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Heat and Thermodynamics. This is the 13th questions that we are discussing in this chapter. Okay, the question is: an ideal gas is taken from PIVA to PFVF. It means what? PI is the initial pressure, initial volume. PF final pressure, VF final volume. In three different ways. These are all the three different ways that are shown in the figure. Identify the process in which the work done on the gas is the most. It means what? Is the maximum. Is greater. Is the greatest. Okay, that's all. Among the three graphs, which one has more work done? Okay, that's all. So this is initial stage, initial volume, initial pressure. This is final volume, final pressure. Similar is the case. This is initial volume, initial pressure, final volume, final pressure. Initial volume, initial pressure, final volume, final pressure. So process, this is process A, this is process B, and this is process. So which one has most work done? Okay, process A, process B, process C, or equal work is done in all the processes A, B, and C. This is the right answer. How to find the work done on the gas from the graph? The work done on the gas is given by the area of the curve in the PV diagram. That you know very well. Okay, that's all. So similarly, if you look at the graphs, you will very much know that the area is maximum in the process B. It means what? The work done is the maximum in the process B. Okay, that's all. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So far we have seen 13 questions from round 1 and round 2 from this chapter Heat and Thermodynamics. In our next video, we will discuss questions from some other chapter. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.